right here. I'll hold this leg up. They are 3 blue merles. The rest are black for now, but they have some light colored red spots and they have some white spots, so I think they will change as they get older. I don't think they'll end up this black. Kind of like German Shepherds, where they get their tan later and they're born black. This one's falling asleep at the nipple. I'm asleep at the nipple. And the others are already full for now and sleeping. She had to go in for C-section because she was in labor but wasn't having contractions. But they all came out healthy. Didn't lose any of them. So this one you can see, it's even starting to lighten up since we brought him home. And little lighter spots on the face and the paws. We'll move off of his tummy. There we go. He's like, stop. Sissy, stop. I can't tell which one's a girl. I haven't put the collars on him yet. He's so happy.